Hello friends, today I am going to show you an easy way to make delicious and fluffy donuts at home. This recipe is super simple and perfect for holidays or any time you are craving something. Watch till the end because I'll be sharing all the tips and tricks to make your donuts turn out perfectly. So without any delay, let's begin our donut making journey. So let's prepare the ingredient. I'm taking 2 spoons of yeast, 2 spoons of brown sugar, and a room temperature of water. So like this, it will help to dissolve the yeast and the sugar as well. I'm taking 500 grams of flour, half a spoon of salt. Now use your hand, mix it well. Now it's time for our sugar and yeast mixture. Pour it slowly. And mix the dough. Now add more mixture into the dough and you can add butter. I'm using clarified butter or ghee, just a little bit. So this way the dough doesn't get dried up. Eventually, slowly you will be adding all the water in the dough with some leftover butter or ghee. You can use any butter, ghee, oil. It's just like I like clarified butter, so like I'm just using it. It's your choice. Keep on mixing the dough. So I might need just a little bit of water. I'm just adding on it. Let me give it a mix. Now our dough is ready. So we're gonna wrap it, leave it in the room temperature for around 1 hour. Okay, the longer it sits, the more better. So okay, our dough is ready to be puffed. See you guys in 1 hour. So our dough is almost ready. So now we're gonna roll the dough. Just do some dusting, flour dusting, and we're gonna give it a mix for about 2 minutes. So now we're gonna roll the dough. It's not too big, so I'm not cutting it. Okay. So if you do like this, it's gonna be easier. And if your dough is a bit bigger, then you can just cut in a half, do a roll like this, and I can do with another one. Easier this way. So we don't need our dough too much thick or too much thin. Okay. So I have this donut cutter with me. If you don't have, you can use glasses or anything as you like. So our donuts are ready. So now we're gonna let it rest for 30 minutes. Okay, so let it more puff and it's gonna be more fluffy. So it's been 30 minutes. You can see our donuts had puffed up really good. So now we're gonna heat up the oil. So make your oil in a medium heat, yeah, because you don't want to burn it. So don't put too much, okay? Don't overload it. So when it's golden brown, turn it to the other side. Ooh, that looks delicious. Look guys, how amazing this is. Can you smell that? That's the smell of happiness.